ones who are going to implement it in the classroom. So what are the challenges which are in store for the teachers?
Okay, ma'am. Challenges in itself is a challenge, ma'am. And this national education policy, now presently in 2020, what we are going to implement for every teacher will be in itself a challenge, because new policies as well as new set of teachings, keeping in mind, as I shared earlier in my article, if the need of every child, the interest of every child, and the interest, uh, the way they forego it and the way they portray it, and what their acceptability is, their intake is, and their prediction level. Everything depends on their brain, as well as the complete environment and scenario of the classroom, as well as their mentors, their house upbringing, as well as their teachers who are going to predict and create interest on the various topics to deal with every child. So, indeed, it is not that easy to start off with. But yes, one can always see to the demand and need of the child, as well as their uh, interest, where the child's interest lies in, and overall keeping in mind the complete strata, the structure, the environment of the classroom, right? So I think so it can be done, but it will take some time, and teachers will be finding some difficulty with some, uh, and implementing a new policy at the initial stage righteously overnight won't be possible. But then, yes, keeping in mind the challenges of the national education policy, as we are talking about its advantageous state and its truthful, the strong emphasis on the education system, what we are talking to implement and to be implemented with each and every child, which is the main source of action for a teacher, a mentor in the classroom. Uh, I think so. It will be fruitful over the time to go
Yes,
in the school.
very well said, Pasu madam. I'm
Thank
sorry.
you.
I'm sorry. Very
Thank you.
very beautifully very beautifully said. And I would like to add just one more point. Like teachers have to upscale their skills also, as they have done in this COVID time also. I believe this
Yes,
adversity has been a great opportunity for the teachers community, because this COVID has brought them 5 years ahead in terms of technology. Okay, the biggest,
excellent.
biggest success of the time is Hindi teacher is also creating a Google form. Generally,
Very
Hindi
true.
teachers, Sanskrit teacher, they have been, very resistant for technology. They have been away, but now they are, moving ahead, hands in hands with other main core subject faculties.
Exactly.
Thank you
Very
so
true.
much, man.
Thank you, sir.